Do you want to make money from your old or junk parts that you may have laying around in your shop? This machine right here is the perfect machine for you. If you're an avid restorer, just a hobbyist, anyone that has parts laying around can use this machine and increase the perceived value of their parts. I actually talked to a customer the other day about this, and he's selling his parts for almost double, if not more, than they would have been untouched. We're going to show you guys what a simple glass bead in this machine can do to make your parts look brand new and increase the perceived value of them. Stay tuned. So we're back with the final result. As you can see, this part looks as new as it possibly is going to look. We use a simple fine glass bead in our VH800 FL here. We have cabinets that start at 17 by 13 by 13 and interior dimensions at 1125. Take your parts from worst to first with us today. We're always happy to help, always happy to answer any questions. Give us a call, 828-202-5563.